Hello, here is Genron vehicle. This is a container transport flatbed. This front is for diesel tanker. This is 600 liters. We can do 800 liters in the front. Then this legs is not very long. Can be when the truck turn around, it cannot attach the front. Look at the back side. Now we give more two spare toolbox. It's very strong. Here is for African style. And the front, they have another big one. You can put a trampoline or tent, other things inside. And also 3 axles. It's very strong for Africa, West Africa standards. This side is another small toolbox. This height also available for Africa standards. It's more higher than China standard because in Africa the road condition is very rough, so must be more higher. And here if the trailers stopped in somewhere, you can use excavators to moving from here, backside here.